What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday. Right back at you again with another hot video. Today we're going to talk about one of the most talked about cryptocurrency coins from last cycle all the way into this cycle, and that is none other than Spell Token. Currently, right now, Spell Token is the number 342nd largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. The price for Spell Token is very low. It is at 0.00063. That's three zeros and a six. The market cap is still very small. You're only talking about a $100 million market cap. Now, everybody know the history of Spell Token. Spell Token is a coin that was launched during the last altcoin season. It was launched in November 2021, and we know November 2021 was the top of the last bull market. So you have to ask yourself, did Spell Token already see a bull market? Did it already see an altcoin season or not? The fact that it was launched at the top of the last bull market, that really says that it really haven't experienced a full bull market, a full altcoin season. So what has Spell Token been doing? Spell Token have just been struggling and going through the motions this entire 4 years. If you take a look at the all-time high market cap for Spell Token, November 2021, the all-time high market cap was $1.8 billion market cap. You take a look at today, this coin is $100 million market cap. So if it was to get back to the market cap of its all-time high, which is $1.8 billion market cap, then you're talking about a 18x. Can Spell Token do an 18x and get back to the all-time high market cap from November 2021? That's one way to look at it. Now, we know when coins are first launched, they go through things. Some of the coins get released that push down the value of the price. So you can take a look at it from the angle of the market cap. You can also take a look at it from the angle of the price. All-time high price is somewhere between 3 cents, 2.5 cents. If we use 2.5 cents, if it get back to the all-time high from today's price, 0.0006, three zeros and a six. If it get back to 2.5 cents, which is 0.025, you're talking about a 40x. You know me, I like to keep it conservative. I would rather use the more realistic number of looking at the market cap. All-time high market cap showing $1.8 billion market cap. That's an 18x. That is a beauty of a multiplier. If you take a look at the price that it's at right now, 0.006 multiplied by 18, you're talking about, let's see, 0.006 times let's see, $1 million, $100 million market cap right now. If it was to do a 10x, you're talking about a $1 billion market cap. So let's see how many zeros we got. 0.0006 times 18. There you go. You're talking about 1 penny. We're looking at a 1 cent price for Spell Token. That's easy money. If we do a 18x, that's beautiful. Even if we come below the 1 penny mark, that is 15x, something like that. So if we get a 10x, 15x in Spell Token, that's beautiful. If Spell Token just get to 0.006, if it drops 1 0. What have we been going through most recently? Most recently, we have been seeing over the past week, the market have been increasing. If you take a look at Spell Token, the chart for the last week, this coin is up 20% over the past 7 days. We know Spell Token has been suppressed. Spell Token haven't really had a great breakout, how some of the other coins have had movements, have had exponential breakouts. Spell Token have yet to have a exponential breakout. Is it building up for altcoin season 2025? Is Spell Token waiting for that 2-month, 3-month period to where it could just do an 18x, to where it could do a 40x? Because Spell Token, if you take a look at January 31st, 2025, that was kind of where some of the altcoins saw the top. This coin was at 0.0015, had dropped a zero on everything. That's like a 3x from here. If we do a 3x from 0.0006, we'll get back to where we were in January 2025 at 0.0015. But Spell token is one of the only coins that has the Grand Slam effect. It's covered all four bases, similar to Turbo. Spell token is listed on Uphold. Spell token is listed on Crypto.com. It's on Coinbase and it's on Binance. You're talking about having all four bases covered. You're talking about being supported by the four top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. That says a lot about any coin. I don't care if it's Spell token, Ethereum, Solana, Turbo. The fact that you are supported by the four top largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world says a lot. So we are not to really take Spell token lightly. This could be a banger of a play. My money is still in Spell token. It's currently the number 342nd largest coin in the world. Market cap still fairly small. You're talking about a $100 million market cap. Now, I said most of our coins will probably hit the $1 billion market cap. Spell token, I can't see it not hitting the $1 billion market cap. If it hit a $1 billion market cap, that's a 10x. We love the 10x's. We love the 7x's. We love the 5x's. So what are we doing with Spell token? Wherever the bottom is, we just DCAing in. We did see it hit 0.0005. Now it's at 0.0006. Next, you'll see it at 0.0007. It will progress with the rest of the market. That's what the rest of the market is doing. We seeing fear. We seeing extreme fear. Now the market is getting ready to head back in the upward direction. We talked about the 90-day tariff pause. This may give us that 2-month to 3-month window to where Spell token can get to a $1 billion market cap. Multiply your money by 10. These are the times that we need to be getting in these coins. If you like Spell token, if you got positions in Spell token, you got to take advantage of these coins while they're beat down. Nobody's talking about Spell token. Probably nobody believed in Spell token. Heck, last year, November, October, nobody believed in XCM. There will always be a point to where nobody will believe in that coin. Typically, that's always the best time to get into those coins. If you've done your research and you vetted that particular coin, it checked off all the green boxes that's necessary to say that, you know what, this is a solid coin. This is a coin that I could place in my portfolio and feel comfortable. If it check off all those boxes, it's beat down, it's at the low point, have always been proven to be the best time to get into those plays. That's how we have been able to dominate the past couple of years. Buying these plays while they're low. Buying these plays while everybody is in full of fear. Nobody want to get into it. Everybody's talking bad about it. Okay. Let me go ahead and DCA in. Let me buy it while it's slow. Let me buy Cerebro at 2 cents. Watch it run up to 8 cents. It come back down to 4.5 cents. Let me buy a little bit more, because I know it's going to skyrocket right back up to 8 cents, 9 cents. That's how we will continue to dominate this 2025 bull market. 90-day pause is a real thing. We're paying attention to what's going on. This is a 90-day box that we got action. Will it last 90 days? Will we see pumps for 90 days? Who knows? Probably not 90 days. But the fact that we do have that window to pay attention to. A lot of things will be moving in that window. Year after the Bitcoin halving. This is almost May. April 25th today. We got 6-7 days before we see May. Sell in May and go away. Some folks will be selling. That's more opportunities for me to buy. Get up out of here. Sell your portfolio so I can buy your portfolio. Spell token, the number 346 largest cryptocurrency coin. We will continue to watch this coin. It is up today, 4-5%. Excellent. Small increments, but we know from Spell token history, from Spell token's characteristic, when this coin start to pump, you will see this coin up 50%, 60% in one day. We're just going to kick back and watch the show. We're going to watch the performance. Spell token will show improved. Gains will be produced. Profits will be produced from buying the bottoms, from buying the lows that we've been buying over the past few weeks. 0.005. Now we're at 0.006. This is how you place these coins and put them in position to where they can be beneficial to you. That's what it's all about. You want to place these various coins and put them in a great position for you and your portfolio. How do you do that? By buying them low. Buying them low, and when they run up, you want to sell them jokers high and take profits. Will I be taking everything out? No. I'm going to leave some skin in the game. But when profit taking time come, oh yeah, I'm going to be scaling out. We got various indicators that we're paying attention to that will give us a green flag, a green signal. You know what? We are in profit taking zone. Paying attention to the things as they arise. Paying attention to the indicators as they sound off. Spell token, been one of my favorite plays. Mixed in my portfolio. Like I mentioned to you guys, even if spell token get to zero, my portfolio is so diverse, I'm okay. Any of my coins get to zero, my portfolio is so diverse, I'll be okay. And that's why I preach the importance of having a diverse portfolio. Any of these coins can get it. Any of these coins can be Mantra 2.0, OM 2.0. Welcome to cryptocurrency. Such a volatile asset, but that's why we love it. It could be volatile to the upward direction. It could take our portfolio from $100,000 to $1,000,000. That's why we got skin in the game in cryptocurrency. That's why we've been waiting on the year after the Bitcoin halving, aka the year of 2025. So come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day, just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.